Hello, today we are doing a hike to, what is it, Marquam Natural Park. No, okay, I'll start over.
Marquam Nature.
Okay.
Start over.
Today we're going to Marquam Natural Park, which is just to the south side of Portland.
Nope.
Start over. Go ahead.
Today we are going to hike in downtown Portland at Marquam Nature Park, and it should be very pretty. The sun is coming out, hopefully, because I'm cold. Yeah.
Yep. So it's over next to OHSU. A lot of hills. Looks like a cool path.
Yeah.
So,
never been there before.
Never been there.
We were born and raised in Portland. I've never done this particular hike, but it's mostly like an inner city spot where people do a lot of trail running and dog walking and stuff, but it's supposed to have pretty good elevation gain, and yeah, we'll get some exercise.
Enjoy. So far, the views have eluded us from the cityscape. This is us going uphill.
In search of a view.
In search of the view.
I saw a little bit of a view, and it wasn't good enough, and then we went down, and now we're going back up. Hopefully we'll get there while the sun's out, and there's a beautiful rainbow, and everything is perfect.
Should have took the tram up here. unfortunately, no city views from this hike. We're already heading back downhill and did not see any cityscapes or good views, but good hike. Very pretty, a lot of green. All the new growth seems to be starting early. Pretty cool.
Back to my college days. Good job, Kim. Kim's so healthy. I'm waiting on my vegan pizza with meat added. Look at my amazing pizza. Okay, back to time lapse.
We're back.
We're back. We're home. Magic. We went downtown and we never really did find the viewpoint. In order to find it, we would have had to, well, there was a viewpoint at Council Crest, which is a different hike.
Yes,
and that would have
much
added
longer.
it would have added an extra 3 miles onto the hike, and we were all getting kind of cold and hungry. So we saw a lot of green, a lot of trees, we saw some cute puppy dogs, and we had a good day. We got like 5 miles of hiking in, but then the hail came and it got really cold, so we went and had pizza.
At Hot Lips
Yay!
Pizza.
Yeah, at Hot Lip.
All in all, it's a very good hike. A lot of ups and downs, but it wasn't too steep. It wasn't too, not too muddy. So all in all, it was actually a pretty good hike.
The trail itself was really good.
Well,
On to the next one.
See you next one. Good morning from Washington.
We are in Camas, Washington. We're gonna do another urban hike like the last one. This one is a park that's right in the middle of the city of Camas, and it's called Lacamas Nature Park or Lacamas Park.
Something
and
like that. It's got a lake.
It's got a lake and a creek and a dam and waterfall and a bridge, and never been here before. Sounds fun, so we're gonna do it.
No sun, but no rain.
Yes, so it's a little chilly, but it's not too bad. And we're in that weird time right now where it's like the end of February, beginning of March. It's March 1st, and the spring wildflowers aren't out yet, but the snow isn't there either. Nope. So finding a place to hike that's cool is kind of challenging sometimes. So
it'll get better in the summer.
Yeah, give us another month and it'll be wildflowers galore.
Okay, see ya.
See ya. figured out, Tom?
No, because half.
Oh, there's not much of a map there.
But so the potholes, I think we came, and we're gonna go this.
Broken bridge.
Do you think they went on it anyway?
Yep, they did. I found it.
Okay. Bunch of rule breakers surrounding me. No evidence. Are you guys just looking at the moss? How cool it is?
This is about as far as the trail used to come. It's about to right here on the lake.
Not no more.
Yeah.
Tom grew up here, and well, not here in Camas, but close by, and so he knows all the places to go. He used to go through here when he was a ruffian. Before there were trails, he and his friends would come in here and just be like rascals. So Tom is taking us to a place that he calls the potholes. It's actually on the map too, but it's his favorite part, so we're gonna go there first.
Locals prerogative.
Yep.
That's one of the holes you could jump in.
Oh my gosh.
That's cool.
I would cry from
I
fear.
would totally do it.
Some kind of a cool thing to have in your neighborhood.
Yeah, I'm gonna build one.
Or you just move here. Brian's being brave, and he's gonna take the rope down to the water. Oh my God. Oh, that's one way to go. Oh, Brian.
Secure enough.
Is it secure enough? Well, now he can get his great pictures. Wow. Super pretty. Seems secure. You made it!
Yay!
Yay!
All right, you're my hero. Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh, damn. Okay, this seems to be our new favorite urban hike.
Yes.
So
I love this place. I want to come here every day. No RC cars and no bikes.
Banana keepers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're heading to lunch at a place on the river. Brian always picks our lunch places. This one's looking kind of cool. Wow, that was awesome. What a great hike. And it was so fun. And it's right in the middle of Camas, Washington. And I didn't think there would be so many waterfalls right in the middle of town.
If you look right over that way, that's Fairview.
Yeah,
You're
right across. So we live in Fairview, and it's right across the water from here, right across the Columbia. And so we're all sitting here fantasizing about moving to Camas now because it's just so pretty. And then we went to this beautiful restaurant behind us.
Right behind us.
And the food was amazing.
Puffin.
Yay!
Puffin on the river, I think it's called. Jamaican. Fantastic. Enjoyed it all.
Just a wonderful day with friends and great food. It was awesome.
Yay. All right, see ya.